casual wear course book is for those who want to learn and stitch western type of tops, mainly skirts. So this book is for them. Book is only one copy is available in 350 rupees only. The book covers theory part, so many theory parts, and size charts including the different type of tops for the different type of cuts. You will learn so many things about sewing theory, color, garment details, about the sewing machine foots, different type of foots, basics of sewing with the hand stitches and seams, plackets, and so many things you will learn in the basic part. Garment fitting problem, theory about the fabric requirement of different type of garment and how the placing of the fabric as per the design or print. With Chinese collar you can learn with the drafting. Top with sailor collar, how to draw the drafting. Overlap top, here is drafting. Raglan sleeve top with princess cut. Skirt and a carrot pant is available, so buy now.